This is killing me. Sorry po.
Sorry po.
Kanina pa ako salita ng salita, hindi pala nagre-record. We decided to go to the village that we wanna go, the Kolowan. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that's it. Kahit late na masyado, I don't know if we can still go there. I mean, take pictures sa type of...
落車前請提前按鐘，車未停定，請勿走動。
Meron na meron kaming inside joke. This trip sa Macau, kay Jake ko talaga to inalay lahat. Sabi ko na, babe, ikaw na bahala sa Macau ha. Tingnan mo lang ito na. Harik lang. Joke lang.
Ganun naman talaga tayo.
Masakit na paa namin, guys. So, tinatamad na talaga kami maggala-gala, maglaag-laag.
Galis ng bus. Wow, Macau Tower. Let's go. Macau Tower yung background. Halog ng camera ng iPhone.
Hello everyone! Nagka-emergency crisis muna kami, but everything is okay. I hope so. We are in, baby, how do you say it?
Hindi ko alam.
Kolowane? It's a village nakita namin sa TikTok from Mimi. I like this part of Macau. Dito yung very famous na Lord's Stove. Kolowani village. It's very peaceful. I like it here. Okay, let me show you around. Baby, you stay here first, okay? Okay. This is so pretty. We have a beach here. They have pretty buildings. Bobby, let's buy tart na lang. Alam niyo ba, guys? Dito, puro Lord's Stove Bakery. So, ang tanong
Cafe
is...
o bakery? Ano ba?
Mayroong cafe, pero Lord's Stove lahat. Only cash? Yeah, they sell it for like 11 a piece. Videohan mo ako? Famous egg tart. Good, secured. Our third tart. Nag-tart hunting tayo.
Mga tatlo pa nga lang.
Okay, hi guys. Oh, Bobby, it's so pretty naman here. Come here. Oh.
Kala ko ito.
No, the light. We are gonna look for a table where we can try the famous Lord's Toast. Walang tissue.
Wala, nakikita. Nagandang kasi.
Ayun, baby. Oh. Kalawani. Hello, ang cute. Ang cute. Ka-aesthetic ng nung meron pa talagang motor. I heard na merong cafe pa.
Please, kahit ito ba? Ano may kasi ng ito mo? Nakakalik ka? Okay.
Okay, let's go. May picture dito later. Take out lang tayo. Or meron sila sa taas. You have seats upstairs?
You can order first and then sit upstairs, but no food or drink upstairs.
Coffee gusto mo?
Ay, kahit ano, kung anong gusto mo order.
Is the combo. Okay, can we have one latte? Okay. Ice. Oatmeal, maybe. Gusto mo oatmeal?
Anim nila?
Okay.
Mas gusto mo ba oatmeal? Same lang. Sige, oatmeal mo. Go.
Can I have oatmeal? That would be awesome. The coffee is so pretty. It's upstairs. Surprisingly, I like it. Saan kita naabot eh? This was the famous na ano, yung sa Princess Ars. So pretty here, guys. It's legit. I have no words. This is one of Macau's prettiest place. 진짜 예쁘다. Bobby, yung very professional na mga content creator, no? Kasi kinakareer talaga natin yung pictures and videos. Kala mo naman this will get us somewhere. It's like a library. A peaceful afternoon from Kolowane village. We're heading back to Kotay Strip so that we can catch the flight back to Hong Kong. Bobby. We're going home. Ay, di pa pala.
Bakit?
Ang so bonito. Wow. Wow. So, ouchie. Wait lang. Okay, so guys, we're finally here. The last time, nandito kami ako sa Kotay Strip. It was during the day and now I'm seeing it during the night and it feels so good. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty. Wow. 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 Wow, 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 wow. Okay, we're done with Parisian and we're going to the Big Ben. Is that the Big Ben?
Pagpan. habang lumalayo tayo, gumaganda yung background natin sa sarili.
I think mabilis lang naman to, hindi to. Mabilis lang siya ikutin. If hindi na ako ipapasok sa mga Venetian, Parisian, Londoner. Kung itong sa labas lang, pwede na mga 1 hour. Kaya na, okay na to? Baby, ba't sila nagpa-picture dyan?
Ayun.
Mga echosera.
Baby.
Isa tayo, Taipei 101. Ay, on man pala.
Ano na?
On man. Bakit naka-off kanina? Uy. Para ata sa atin, babe.
Kaagam na.
Dami. Poor baby, parang tagal niya matapos. Tingnan mo, aura-aura si ate ko. Reason why hindi ako maka-escalator trend kasi parang hinarbor ni ate ko yung escalator ngayon. Grabe siya maka-aura. Oh, ayan. Oh, sige ate, sa'yo na yan. Okay lang sa akin. Selfie na lang tayo. Punta pa tayo sa west. Nandito lang pala siya. We're going back to Hong Kong. Tama ka itong nasakit ako. Baby. So, this is our last night in Hong Kong. Excited to eat. Ah, QR. Okay. We thought this store closes at 2 a.m. Pero mga 12, mag-alisin na nila kami. Very pressure. Ayaw ni Jake kasi matagal siya mag-eat. Yan, babe. Hindi naman natin kasalanan yun, baby. Sabi 2 a.m.
Ha?
Okay na yun. Time to eat. I'm gonna try first the shumai.
Yummy. Oh, hindi ba? Kaya mo kagat. Hindi na ako mag-chopstick.
Hindi siya puro hangin. It is shrimp. Kaya pala walang tao. Kasi mag-close na sila.
Bakit? Naman.
Hindi din sila mag-itsira.
Hindi namin alam na hindi pala pwede
Mag-load ng 40.
no 40.
No, 40. Only 50.
Okay, 50! Tayo ba ng mga pasalubong ba? We don't have the time
Ano
anymore.
tayo?